This is Jordan Tower with JT News. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Let's get right into the news. All right, so we're talking about K-Flock here. This is the rapper from the Bronx that was arrested. Supposedly he got into altercation outside of a barbershop, pulled a weapon. That's what they're saying. Okay, I mean he's not guilty in the court of law or anything anymore at the present time. Well, his lawyer came out, and I guess his lawyer has represented El Chapo, right? El Chapo and John Gotti Jr. Great client list, right? Great client list. Okay, John Gotti Jr. went to jail, I think, or John Gotti. El Chapo went to jail. Very happy and honored to be representing K-Flock, one of the most serious cases. I don't know, El Chapo and John Gotti might have been a little more serious, to be honest with you. Very talented kid. I'm looking forward to winning his trial. When the facts come out, I think people will be shocked that he was even charged. That I'll leave that open to. I'll be open to that possibility because, like, sometimes the cops do things wrong. But I don't know. El Chapo's done. I think John Gotti Jr. went to jail, right? So it's like I don't know. We'll see. You know, lawyers will say what they need to say. And, of course, they should be positive about winning your case, okay? So I'm not faulting this guy whatsoever. And he's speaking out for his client, okay? So, you know, it's all in a court of law, you know? So we'll see what happens. Then we got another court case here with Dame Dash, Jay-Z. There's rumors that, you know, Dame Dash is trying to sell his portion of Rockefeller as an NFT, right? Which he has the right to do. But, you know, Jay-Z and Biggs don't want to do that. They don't want to have, like, an anonymous partner, right? So why don't they just buy it? That's what I don't get. But they don't want to buy it for the price Dame Dash wants. Okay, so he was going to go to the open market as he can. They're trying to block it with lawyers and court and everything. And, you know, he's just saying, like, hey, we're nowhere near settling this. Don't believe the hype. And he said, court is corny. Let's talk like men and hash it out and come to an agreement. There's nothing wrong with that. You know what I mean? So, anyways, we'll see what happens with it. Then we got Mase and Diddy. Mase goes off on Diddy. Mase makes some points. He's like, you know, Diddy, why is Diddy always shading me? He was robbing me for years, blah, blah, blah. Crazy, you know. So he says he's standing up for all the other artists. I mean, okay, 20 years later. Well, you know, I'm glad he's doing it. He's putting out some things there, putting out warnings for people, kind of showing practices Diddy did. It's up to these two to hash it out, though. Yeah, this is what he said last night.
When I see the hurt and the pains of other people on Bad Boy, that motivates me to say something so I don't be deemed as a person who just made a bunch of money and turned a blind eye. I'm not going to be like the rest of the people around Puff that don't tell him he's wrong. I'm not going to be like the yes men around him that see him ruining people's lives and never tell him he's wrong. More people on here will tell me I'm wrong, but won't say anything to him. They'll judge my beliefs, they'll judge my Christianity, and they'll say nothing to Puff. They'll say nothing about is a concert for Biggie and Biggie's own daughter couldn't get in. They'll say nothing about that. But all of his friends got 50 and 60 tickets.
Well, anyways, that's what Mason's talking about. He's been on IG Live talking about this. Oracle, too. He should drop another song. That wasn't it, though. The auto-tune and everything. Mase doesn't need auto-tune. He took away from the song. That's why I say it's trash. It's Jordan Tower with JT News. Smash that like button. I'll check you guys in the next one.